Hi there folks, Marcus from SpotX Underwater Vision. Continuing on with our theme of live web streaming, I thought I'd show you how easy it was to be able to live stream on the net using your phone and your GoPro camera. Now obviously with your phone you can live stream to YouTube or Facebook easily, but with the range of options of mounts that you can get for the GoPro, and the fact that you could use one of our underwater housings and live stream from underwater directly to the internet makes the GoPro option a pretty neat solution. So let's go ahead and take a look at the parts and the process to get you online. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and open up the GoPro app. You can see the app has found our GoPro 8. Now you need to make sure that your app and your phone, the app and the camera is already paired so that they can talk to each other. Once you're in the app, you'll see down the bottom there's a range of options where you can change the camera settings, but there's also an option to set up live. So go ahead and click on that, and it's going to ask for permissions. It's going to ask for your Facebook credentials. We'll go ahead and type those in. And it's going to ask us for a few permissions there. Now once we've done this for the first time, you don't have to do this every time. It's going to be a lot easier just to get up and running. This is only initial. Here we can choose who's going to see our live stream. I'm just going to choose just me for this test one. We can go ahead and set up the stream. Again, we choose who is going to see the live stream. We can give our stream a title. Let's just go ahead and call it test. We can describe the stream if we want. Let's call it test. Or maybe if we're going to live stream this to a client, or maybe it's a promo on our Facebook page, we can call it pylon inspection and show the sort of work that our company can do. We can choose the resolution that it's going to stream at. We can even save a copy to our SD card on board. We just need to choose our Wi-Fi network, and obviously it's going to ask us for our password. We go ahead and type that in. And once we click OK, it's going to connect to that network. And obviously if you don't have a Wi-Fi network to connect to, you can use your phone data. That's not a problem. Once it's checked the connection, we can go and set up the live stream. And this bit just takes a minute. And once that button turns blue, we can go live. And so now we are live on Facebook. We can go in and check the feed, make sure everything looks fine. We can go and check comments and reply to comments if we like. And you can see if we go look at the camera there, it has the little live icon there. So that's it guys, that's how you can use your GoPro and your phone to get live streaming straight away. If you've got any questions regarding live streaming, drop cameras, tow cameras, underwater webcams, please let me know in the comments below, and thanks a lot for watching.